What if I told you the crocodile lounging in the swamp is more closely related to a bird than a lizard? This isn't science fiction, it's evolutionary fact. Let's dive into the surprising story of how crocodiles and birds share a deep biological bond. Crocodiles and birds may seem worlds apart, but they share a common ancestor that lived over 240 million years ago. In fact, modern crocodiles have more in common with birds than their cold-blooded reptilian cousins. While most reptiles lay their eggs and move on, crocodiles fiercely guard their nests and even carry their hatchlings to safety, just like many birds care for their young. Ever heard a baby crocodile chirp? These vocalizations are used to call their mothers, a behavior more common in birds than reptiles. Like birds, crocodiles have a four-chambered heart and unidirectional airflow in their lungs, a feature that helps them survive long dives underwater. While birds took to the skies and evolved feathers, crocodiles stayed in the water, refining their ability to hunt and survive. But underneath their scales and feathers, their shared history remains. So the next time you see a crocodile, don't think of it as just a reptile. Think of it as a distant cousin to the hawk soaring overhead. Evolution truly works in mysterious ways. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wildlife learning, and see you next time.